Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I will be studying with you guys. I really enjoy watching these kinds of videos, especially Oh No Nina's, so I wanted to do my own rendition of it. I will be studying algebra. Some news for y'all. Last week I ordered a new camera and it came in also like a few days after I ordered it. It's here and I'm using it right now. It is the Canon EOS M50 and I actually really like it. It came with a lot of stuff, so definitely recommend. The good thing about this is that I could see myself, which I was not able to do for like a good 3 years when I was using my old camera. So enough rambling, let's start studying, kids. So to be honest with you, I have no idea how well I'll do in this test because in the last quiz that I had, I did pretty well, surprisingly. And I'm just scared that I won't be able to do well this time. The lesson is about logs, so yeah. Oh yeah, yesterday I tried shooting this video, but I just couldn't. I didn't know how to do this, so I had to figure it out today. So just so you guys know, I'm in an honors class for algebra. I'm gonna look for the chapter that we were in. And basically what I do is I try all of them. I redo all of them. I have like a bunch of papers in here. A lot of them are like ripped and stuff. But this is my last quiz, guys. And check this out. There it is. It's 100. I'm actually pretty proud of this, guys. I study like the worksheets that my teacher gives and also the quiz that we recently did. And also the ones online because those are also really helpful. Because in the online book that we have, it has like a test thing that you could do. So that's what I do for math specifically. So I have these thingies, which are basically scrap paper. I just folded them in half like this. And these are from my old Muji planner. We are on chapter 6. What I basically do with the scrap paper is that like for each section I do like the main points from the book. This goes for all classes, by the way, like science and whatnot, English. I like basically write down the main points here on this like small sheet of paper. I read it in the free time so that I will be able to like practice in my head like how it goes and stuff. Here I'm just putting like what I have to remember in general for like the rules and stuff, like the domain and range, and also some of the formulas that I do need to know just in case it will be needed in the test. There are also times that like whenever I do study, I write everything down and then I start studying. Before I start everything, I just copy like whatever I wrote down here on my note and just transfer it here to make it easier. I just have to look on this sheet instead of like all of the pages here on my notebook because it does take a lot of time. And also writing it down is really helpful for remembering the formula or like whatever key terms that you do need to remember. So my camera died, but I charged it, and an update, it's been like 10 minutes since that happened. I just finished putting every formula into this sheet, as you can see. There you go. So these are all the stuff that I have to remember and take note of. This will be helpful if you're gonna start studying, and also before you start the test, you can try to like memorize all of them and then you're good to go. To start off, I'm gonna just like try like 5 numbers and then check if they're right, and then if they're right, I can start taking I could quiz myself on the book, so that's what I'm gonna do after that. What? This is strange. What am I doing wrong? Oh. So I got this one question right, but I couldn't seem to understand it until I tried something. So it kind of worked, and yeah. So my camera battery died again, but the sun is starting to go down, which is a sign that I have to end the video right here, right now. So far I've gone really not that far, honestly, but I'm pretty sure I can finish within the next hour or so. I just can't film it anymore. That's the only difference. But I hope you guys liked watching this video and you enjoyed my company for studying. I hope that my tips also helped you guys, because I think they're really useful and that you guys would benefit from them, since it benefits me a lot whenever I do this kind of method. So yeah, if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't yet. So yeah, I have other videos. If you're bored, go watch them. If not, continue studying. That's pretty much it. So don't forget to stay hydrated, and also charge your batteries before you film if you're a YouTuber. And also study very hard for your tests. Do your best, and I'm sure you'll do just fine. I'm going back to studying in a bit. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys keep growing. Bye! 거칠은 폭풍 우디 햇살 비치듯이